everyone, welcome back to the Allaire Village YouTube channel. We are back with another Cooking with Felicity video. I'm Felicity. Today we'll be making mushroom savories. The recipe again comes from the Fanny Crane, her receipts, 1796. And this is the same cookbook that we used for our chocolate truffles in the last video. I will have that video linked above. I hope this is the right side, but if not, it's that one. And the cookbook has been adapted for a modern kitchen, and you can still purchase it from the Montclair History website, which we will link below in the description. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be notified for the next video. Let's get cooking! The ingredients are 3/4 of a cup butter, 3 medium onions chopped, 2 pounds of fresh mushrooms finely chopped, 4 tablespoons of fresh thyme or 2 tablespoons if using dry, 3/4 of a cup white wine or sherry. We are using white wine in our recipe. 1/4 cup parsley chopped. Again, if you're using dried parsley, just half the amount. 2 teaspoons of salt and pastry dough. Start by sauteing the onions and butter in a large pot or pan. Probably a pot would be better for this because we do have a ton of mushrooms. Saute the onions and butter until golden brown. Cook down the onions until they are golden, so they will start to get a bit translucent. Alright, when the onions are golden, you're gonna add the mushrooms. So this is 2 pounds of mushrooms that have been chopped. You will also add your thyme, salt, and parsley at this time. We did not find thyme, so instead you're using oregano, and you can replace this in a 1-to-1 mixture according to the internet. Salt. For 5 minutes. So this has been simmering for 5 minutes. You can see that all of the mushrooms cooked down quite a bit, and you can't smell it unfortunately, but it does smell amazing. So the next step is we're gonna take our white wine or sherry and pour that in. You're just gonna give it a quick stir and then simmer this until almost all of this liquid is absorbed into the mushrooms and onions. We're still letting out the mixture simmer a little bit. So while that is going, we are going to take our pastry dough, which we are using just pre-made puff pastry, and roll it out really thin. You're going to want to cut this into 2.5-inch circles. So in order to do that, you can either use a cookie cutter or a cup. So I'm using a measuring cup. Just gonna get as close to the edge as possible so we're not wasting too much dough. Start filling our mushroom savories. You are going to take a circle of the pastry dough and put the mushrooms and onion stuffing on half of the sheet, like so. Moisten your fingers and go around the edges to make the dough sticky, and then close it and use your fingers to pinch it shut. It should look like a small little dumpling or a pierogi or a ravioli, and then you are going to put this on an ungreased cookie sheet. You're going to put this in a moderate heated oven, so that is about 375 degrees Fahrenheit until it becomes golden brown, so roughly 10 minutes. Our camera woman Leah is gonna help us with the taste test of the Mushroom Savories. Alright, gonna just grab one and
yeah, I'm just gonna go and break it. Ready?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Took a big bite. Sorry.
Yeah, it's very herby. It has a lot of mushroom flavor. I feel like it'd be good with like a ground beef or something. Is that too?
Yeah, definitely. Also, it's a great appetizer too, I think.
Yeah, a great appetizer. Maybe a cheese.
Yes, but everything tastes better with cheese. It's really good though. I really highly recommend it.
Yeah, definitely recommend it on its own. I just really love cheese.
Exactly, definitely.
If you enjoyed today's video, remember to give it a big like and subscribe again to our channel. And make sure you check out the Historic Village at Allaire. The link to our website will be in the description. And until then, let us know if you did try this recipe in the comments and how it went for you. Enjoy!